you ever wondered what makes a watch's ticking sound? Well, it all starts with you wearing the watch. This little metal part spins around in the watch called the rotor, and what this does is adds tension to a little spring called the mainspring. This then releases energy into the gear train, ending up at the escapement. This part is extremely important. Without it, the mainspring would just unwind all at once and the watch wouldn't keep time. So what the escapement does is it breaks that stored energy to tiny controlled little bursts. It uses a little lever called the pallet foot to let a small gear, the escape wheel, move forward one tiny step at a time. Think of it like a gate that only lets one person through at once. Each tiny step gives the watch hand a steady little push, and that steady beat is what keeps your watch telling time. And that ticking sound you hear, that's just a little lever tapping the gear every time it lets one of those steps through. Pretty darn cool.